Energy-efficient windows are an essential feature for Orangeburg residents, where the climate can range from hot, humid summers to chilly winters. These windows are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round while reducing energy costs. However, maintaining their efficiency requires regular care and attention. Here are practical tips to help Orangeburg homeowners keep their energy-efficient windows performing at their best. Keep windows clean for maximum efficiency. Dust, dirt, and grime can accumulate on your windows, reducing their ability to reflect sunlight or retain heat. Regular cleaning ensures that your energy-efficient windows function as intended. Glass cleaning. Use a mixture of water and vinegar or a commercial glass cleaner to wipe down the panes. Avoid abrasive materials that could scratch low-E coatings or other special finishes. Frame cleaning. For vinyl or fiberglass frames, use a mild soap and water solution. Wooden frames may require a damp cloth, followed by immediate drying to prevent moisture damage. Clean windows not only look better but also allow natural light to enter, reducing the need for artificial lighting. Inspect seals and weather stripping. The insulating performance of energy-efficient windows depends heavily on intact seals and weather stripping. Over time, these components can degrade due to Orangeburg's humid climate and fluctuating temperatures. Check for leaks. On a windy day, run your hand around the window frame to feel for drafts. A draft indicates that seals may need repair or replacement. Reapply caulking. Inspect the edges of the window for cracks in the caulking. Remove old, damaged caulk and reapply a high-quality, weather-resistant sealant to keep air and moisture out. Replace weather stripping. If the weather stripping appears cracked, torn, or compressed, replace it promptly. Weather stripping is an inexpensive way to maintain your window's energy efficiency. Maintain the moving parts. Energy-efficient windows, especially double-hung or sliding styles, often include moving parts that require regular attention to maintain functionality and efficiency. Lubricate tracks. Use a silicone-based lubricant to ensure smooth operation of window tracks. Avoid oil-based products that can attract dirt. Test locks and latches. Ensure that all locks and latches are functional, as these contribute to the window's airtight seal. Smooth operation not only enhances usability but also prevents gaps that can compromise energy efficiency. Address condensation issues. Condensation on the inside of your windows may indicate excess humidity in your home, while condensation between panes suggests a seal failure. Reduce indoor humidity. Use a dehumidifier or ventilation fans in areas prone to moisture, such as kitchens and bathrooms. Proper ventilation helps prevent indoor condensation. Repair or replace panes. If you notice condensation between the glass panes, the insulating gas has likely escaped, reducing the window's efficiency. Contact a professional to repair or replace the affected window. Protect your windows from Orangeburg's climate. Orangeburg's humid summers and occasional storms can take a toll on even the most durable windows. Protecting your windows ensures they maintain their energy-saving properties. Check for water damage. Inspect wooden frames for signs of rot or decay. Address any issues promptly to prevent further damage. Ensure proper drainage. Clear debris from weep holes, small drainage openings, to allow rainwater to escape. Blocked weep holes can lead to water pooling and damage. Add window film or screens. Consider installing window films or solar screens to reduce heat gain during the summer months. These additions complement the performance of energy-efficient windows. Upgrade when necessary. Even with regular maintenance, older windows may lose their energy efficiency over time. If your windows are more than 15-20 years old or consistently underperforming, it might be time to upgrade. Choose modern features. Look for windows with double or triple pane glass, low E coatings, and insulated frames. Work with professionals. Contact a reputable window installation company in Orangeburg to ensure proper fitting and maximum performance of your new windows. Seasonal maintenance tips. Adjusting your maintenance routine to align with the seasons helps your windows stay efficient year-round. Spring and summer. Clean windows thoroughly to remove pollen and debris. Check seals and weather stripping for damage caused by winter weather. Fall and winter. Inspect for drafts and reseal as needed to keep out cold air. Remove screens during the winter to prevent snow or ice buildup, if applicable. Monitor energy bills. An increase in energy bills can signal that your windows aren't performing as they should. Compare your current energy costs to previous years and investigate if inefficient windows could be the cause. Conduct an energy audit. Consider a professional energy audit to identify areas of energy loss in your home. Address issues promptly. Small problems, such as minor drafts or damaged weather stripping, can escalate if not addressed, leading to higher energy costs over time. Conclusion. Energy-efficient windows are a valuable asset for Orangeburg residents, helping to reduce energy costs and maintain a comfortable home. With regular cleaning, inspection, and proper care, you can keep your windows functioning at their best for years to come. By staying proactive and addressing minor issues promptly, you'll ensure that your windows continue to perform efficiently, even in Orangeburg's challenging climate. And when it's time to replace older windows, upgrading to the latest energy-efficient models will provide long-term savings and comfort.